Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn HTML for beginners. First, understand that HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is the foundational language for creating web pages. Next, select a basic text editor like VS Code or Notepad++ to write your code. Finally, save your file with an HTML extension, for example, index. HTML to ensure your browser recognizes it as a web page. This setup is crucial for beginning your coding journey. Now let's explore the essential structure of an HTML document. Begin with the doctype HTML declaration, which tells the browser the document type. Then, wrap all your content within the HTML tags. Inside, you'll find the head section for metadata and the body section, where all visible content resides. Don't forget to add a meaningful title within the head using the title tag. With the basic structure in place, it's time to add content. Use heading tags, ranging from H1 for the most important title down to H6 for the least, to organize your text. For regular text, simply use the P tag to create paragraphs. To make your pages more engaging, insert images using the IM tag, remembering to specify the source and alternative text for accessibility. These elements are key for readable content. Finally, let's make your pages interactive and organized. Create hyperlinks using the tag to connect to other pages or websites. This is fundamental for navigation. Organize information effectively with ordered lists, using all and lie, or unordered lists, using ol and lie. Remember, consistent practice is vital. Experiment with different tags and attributes to solidify your understanding and build confidence in your HTML skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.